Alright, you guys, so as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm gonna be unboxing this. But first, I just wanted to say that I've never actually bought any makeup from like Jeffree Star or like any of the beauty gurus and everything. I've only bought like normal brands, just cheap normal brands. So I figure this would be a good way to test out like better makeup and more expensive makeup is by buying this mystery box. So I am aware that like a lot of mystery boxes get rid of like some stuff that aren't getting sold that much and all of that, so I'm aware of that, so I might not be completely happy with this box, but I do know that there's a special like lipstick in there that hopefully I'll enjoy that at least. But it definitely was a lot cheaper than like buying separate items, so there's that as well. So yeah, let's just go ahead and open up this box. Alright you guys, we got it. Let's see what's inside. Alright, so we got some pink wrapper. Love it. Keeping up with brand. Alright, so we're gonna unwrap this. Okay. So this one is actually the premium. I woke up at 1 o'clock I woke up at 1:30, which was 30 minutes after the launch, and I went on the website as soon as possible, and I looked and there was only the mini ones and the medium ones left. So within 30 minutes he sold out of all of the deluxe ones. So I had to settle for this one. Otherwise I would have bought the bigger one because it has 10 items. This only has 5. So let's see what we have. Let's see. So as you can tell, we have a liquid frost, and I think we have lipsticks and a pop socket. Now, I don't really use pop sockets, so I might not even use that one. I was kind of hoping that he would add a mirror into this, but instead I got a pop socket, so I don't know. I don't really use pop sockets, but who knows, maybe I'll put it on there. And we have a liquid frost highlighter. So we're gonna go ahead and look at that. Well, actually, let me look at all the things first. So this is actually, okay, this is the liquid lipstick that's supposed to be for the box specifically, and it's a mystery shade. So so we're gonna see how that looks. Then we have another liquid lipstick, Doll Parts, that actually looks like I would wear a lot, and I don't know why I'm shaking so much, but it looks kind of like a purpley color, so I think I might like this one. Ooh, okay. And this is just a lipstick, not liquid lipstick, but this one is Celebrity Skin. So honestly, I'm glad I got a bunch of lipsticks because that's probably going to be my favorite item from this brand because I really like lipsticks. Crown Jewel. Okay, so this is the shade of a liquid highlighter, which I don't know. This looks kind of dark. I don't know with my pale skin if it's going to look weird or not. Of course, he rocks it, but I don't know if I could rock this. So we're going to go ahead and try all these items on and everything. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. We're going to do the liquid highlighter first. So, ooh, I love the packaging though. Like I said, I never buy these things, so I'm really impressed with the packaging. How does this work? How do I open it? Is it a pump? No. Oh, okay. I was so confused because this thing moves. Oh wait, it pumps out, I think. I'm so confused. Oh gosh, okay, yeah, that pumps out. That's crazy. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab a little bit with my finger. Okay. So we're gonna close that before it gets everywhere. So this is like, it's kind of like a mustard color, like a greenish yellow. So it's kind of like a gold, but still has like a tint of green. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch that on my hand. Okay, so it's kind of just like a golden highlighter. Honestly, I'm not mad. Like, that looks really good. Like, and it's like not too dark, so I feel like my skin could still like look good with it because it kind of blends in with my skin really nice, and it dries like nice. Like, I like this. I actually do like this. I never used a liquid highlighter, so that's my first liquid highlighter. So now we're gonna go on to lipsticks. Should we try the mystery? No, we're gonna save the mystery for last. So this one is, what shade? Okay, Doll Parts. This is Doll Parts. So this is like a purplish pink color, which actually looks really pretty. So I'm just gonna do the same hand. Pretty, I like that a lot. Okay. I don't know if I could like pull off like a pink like this, but because it looks kind of more purple than I thought it would in like the packaging, but it's actually a lot more pink out of the packaging. So I don't know if I'd be able to pull this off, but it is a pretty color. But I do think this next one I should be able to pull off. But this is a lipstick. I love the freaking packaging, you guys. This is so pretty. I've never used it. Okay, this one's pretty though. It's like a dusty, like purple color. It kind of like blends with my lips. Hold on, we're just gonna do it on my hand. Okay, so there's that. So it's kind of like a brownish tint of purple sort of color. So we're gonna go on to the mystery. What is this shade, you guys? What is it? This is like the main reason why I bought it, because like I knew there'd be a lipstick in there. I always wanted to try it. Wait a minute. Okay, there is a difference. At first I thought it was the same as Doll Parts, but it's actually more pink. So this is the mystery shade. So yeah, there's just a lot of pink. Like, I don't know if I can pull off pink. Like, I love dark shades though, but I don't know if I'll be able to pull these off. But who knows? Maybe I'll like find like a way to pull them off. So yeah. So this is the mystery shade. It's like a really pretty pink. So he kind of stuck with his whole brand when it comes to this mystery shade. Alright, so what are my thoughts? I think it's definitely like good for the price, because these things like separate are already pretty expensive. So the price, I think, is very good. I think he was really reasonable with making the discount. The items, I'm kind of disappointed that there was a pop socket in there, but I do understand like you kind of need to throw like at least one item of like merchandise in there just to kind of add something to it rather than just makeup. So I still understand why he did that. I just kind of wish he didn't. And the liquid highlighter is actually really pretty. This is gonna last a long time, like I can already tell. So yeah, I do think it's definitely worth the buy. I'm not a huge fan of lipsticks, but I'll probably still use it because it's a really pretty shade, and I feel like I can pull this off way more than I would be able to pull off the pinks, but we'll see. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you do, definitely leave it a like, and check out the rest of my channel if you want to see other content. I make Fortnite content as well, and just a bunch of random stuff, and I hope you enjoyed looking at those. And if you enjoy those, definitely subscribe to see my future content. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!